Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to expand or increase Apple number sheet. Open your Apple number sheet. Now click on this number sheet and click right button and select here all cells. Now click on this table option and go and here you will find this row height and column height option. Now you can increase row height and column height. In this way you can increase your number sheet size. Also you can put your custom row height and custom column height white 50 and see this and increase it 60. This yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.